Hi, this is Esther from Cemantica. Hope you're doing well. I'm going to show you how we integrate VoC data inside the Cemantica platform. Here on the home page of the Cemantica platform, you have the latest integration. We can explore it. So we have the install connector. Here we have Qualtrics already installed on the platform, and then you can discover, different type of system that you can integrate also with the platform. Just for your information, we have about 70 native connectors, and if we don't have the connector, we have an API that we can open so we can connect with pretty much any type of information. So let's see how we can visualize all this data on a journey map. So here you can see the interaction. We are at the touch point level. So we have two type of information. First is here you can specify what you think is the sentiment of your customer when he's interacting with your brand on this specific touch point. And here you can have the same information but coming from VoC, so Qualtrics or any other type of VoC provider. So for example, you have the number of interaction, the sentiment index. We have here, for example, the metrics is it's coming from, so this is a CES, and the data sources. So pretty straightforward, and then you can compare what you think is the expense of your customer versus what the customer is telling you directly. So this is our touch point level. Then you can go at a stage level. So this is the average sentiment level of what you think your customer is having versus the average sentiment level coming from VoC data. So the customer himself telling you. All right. If you want to plug more information and feedback, very easy. You have different cards here that are connected. So you can add feedback data. So you have integration, for example, with Qualtrics, and you can go here and then you can select the survey, and then you can work on different filters, the question that you would like to pull, etc. So you see, pretty easy. Also, you have the capacity to import a file or add data manually. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy to integrate and retrieve data on the Cemantica platform. If you want to have more information, please write us to info@cemantica.com, or you can go to our website www.cemantica.com. Thank you and talk to you soon. Bye bye.